Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Spotify to Notion account. So let's start first by opening your Notion or log in with your existing Notion account. And also open your Spotify account. So the first thing that we need to do is to click the add page below the reading list, in which we can change the title. Let's say Spotify. And below the title, please select the empty page. And after that, we need to move to our Spotify account and connect it to our Notion account. And from Spotify account, you can connect the playlist or the artist that you like by clicking the three dots for more options and select the share, and below it, copy the link to artist or to your playlist. And once it has been copied, all we need to do is to move to our Notion account and paste the link that we copied. After pasting, select below the Create Embed and wait for it to load. And you are now connected to Spotify with your Notion account. You can resize it or design it based on your preference. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to connect Spotify to Notion, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.